Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tips tutorial on the Yuxin Master Kilominx. Let's get started. So in my last video, I did do the centers on the bottom. So I did the white, all the way around on the bottom half here, like that, going all the way around, like that. So now we're gonna do this video I'm doing is we're gonna do the top centers on the top half. So just like, on the Megaminx here, it's nice because it's the same, you could pick up the color pattern on this. It's the same pattern on the Master Kilominx. It's the same one, so that's pretty nice. So yeah, we're going to get started. We're going to do the top half all the way around like that. So we're going to start with pink. Pink is here. Just happened to have it there. I didn't set it up like that. It's there. So yeah, we're going to do the pink and then we'll work our way around and go from there. So we got one pink here. We're going to bring it over onto this side. So we'll shift this up like this. Bring the pink over to connect it. We'll bring it back down. We actually have two pinks here. And I didn't set it up like that. I'm being honest. Like that's exactly how it is. Just bring it over. And we have our first center solved. So I just want to show that just so you could see. So we have the white, blue, and pink. It's the same color pattern. Next will be the, the beige yellow here next. So we have two in. So maybe a good idea is I'm going to knock a piece out. Let's do this. So we'll bring this down. Make sure I didn't take anything out of place. Like that. Bring it back up. Double check it. Okay, so then let's see. Maybe we could pair these two up, which would probably be smarter than my plan. So we'll bring this one up because there's one here, there's one here. So we'll just bring it up, swing it around to get out of the way. And then, let's see, we'll bring this pair here, bring it down here. But a good idea is I think we'll just knock this pair out of the way, like that. Then we'll bring it around to the left here and bring it up. So that worked out. Okay, so the next one is light blue. So we have one here. We have a couple here. So we'll bring this pair down here like this. Then we'll move it out of the way and bring it back up. Always bring it back up, especially if you already solved the bottom or whatever. But it's a good habit either way to do it that way because sometimes you forget and then you sort of mess some pieces up. It does happen. So let's see. We've got a blue here, like that. And then we have a blue on top. So what we'll do is we'll pair that up. Bring this around so we put it at the top here. We'll pair it up here. And then move this back down so we put this back in place. So now, let's see. Okay, so same thing. We're going to turn this way. Move this way and knock the pair out of the way like that. And bring it back. Bring the pair back. So let's see. We got our pink, beige, and blue. And I think the next one actually is orange, according to the color pattern. Yeah, the next one's orange, even though all the greens are here. So we'll go with the orange. So we'll pair that up. Probably a good idea. Move it out of the way. And then bring this back. So we put our pieces back in place like that. Let's see. Okay, so we got some oranges here. What we'll do is a good idea how to do this is I'm not going to drop this down like this to make it a little more complicated, because then you'll have one left. It's better if you just do it this way. You drop one down so it connects with this pair here. You got 3 there. So we drop it down, move it out of the way, and then we bring it back up like that. And then we have the 1 pair here. Swing it around to your right side like that. Then we're going to bring this around. How I showed like on the others, we're going to knock that pair out of the way. Like that. Bring it around. And, oops. Bring it back up. Like that. There we go. It's in place. Okay, so the next one is light green. We just happen to have 3 there, so that's really nice. That's really different. So let's see, we'll do the same thing. How I showed before, bring this out around to the right side like that. Knock the pair out of place. And bring it back up. So that's really cool. We solved this one fast, and then it also solved the gray, so that worked out perfect. So I thought that was a good method. I sort of practiced some of these before, you know, because I've had this for like maybe 2 weeks or something. And I think that's an easy method how I showed. You swing the pieces around, you swing the piece around the right, knock the one out of place, bring it back up. Or you just hook up the 3 like that, how I showed. You bring the 1 down, connect the 3, then, you know, move it out of the way, and bring the other pair down. So that's, yeah, I really like that method. It works pretty good for me, actually. Actually, really good. So yeah, thank you for joining me for this tips tutorial on the Yuxin Master Kilominx. So yeah, I'm just happy I got the whole first part done, all the centers. I believe tomorrow I'm going to start on the edges, like match them up, you know, show you how that works. We'll do the edges and work our way around. I'll probably do a maybe same thing, maybe like a 2-part series on the edges, maybe 3, depends, because there's so many edges. But I'm going to do that. I'm going to do 1 video tomorrow on the edges, and then, you know, through the next week I'll do some more. So just want to show how to do the centers, just so you have an idea. Show you the color pattern like that. So yeah, thank you for joining me for this tips tutorial on the Yuxin Master Kilominx. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below in the comment section, and I will be happy. I will reply to you, and I will be happy to reply to you. Yeah, and just feel free to leave a comment if you like. And another thing is, like, I never ask anybody to put a like or stuff like that. That's up to you if you like to do that. But yeah, that's just the way I am. I never put things out there saying, you know, subscribe to my channel or give me a like. I don't do that. You know, that's up to you. If you like the video, you know, then, you know, that's up to you what you want to do, if you want to give it a like or not. But that's the way I am. You know, that's the way I am. I try to keep it real. I'm honest. And this is the real thing. Like, I don't edit my videos. I'm not sponsored by any cubing shop. So like this puzzle I paid for with my own money, and I pay for all my puzzles with my money. So I don't get any puzzles. I do not get any puzzles for free. You know, I never get any free puzzles. I just pay for my own because, you know, this is like my hobby, and, you know, I enjoy this. So, but yeah, thank you so much for watching today. It's Friday here in Chicago. I have my McDonald's coffee, McCafe, and I have a full cup. And I'm loving it. So yeah, like I said, if you ever want to leave a comment or ask a question or anything, I'll do my best to answer you. I will answer you, but I'll do the best I can to answer you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate your time. And if you ever get a chance, check it out, this puzzle. If you want a good challenge, It's definitely a good challenge, and it's really interesting to say the least. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I really do. Thank you very much. And happy Friday, everyone. Have a great night.